Hello children, now we shall learn the lesson Cubes and Cube Roots. Exercise 1.1. First one, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? So first one question they have given 216. We using prime factorization method. 216. Now we know that last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now less number means we have to take it here 0. The next we have to take 1 and 6 together. 2 8s are 16. Now next 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Now last number is odd, means it is not divisible by 2. So next number we have to check 3. Divisibility condition for 3 is what? If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, then the whole given number is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 27 is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 216 are, see here I will write the factors. 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now for a perfect cube, always we have to take the factors in equal triplets form. The factors we have to take equal in triplets form. Means this is one group and this one is second group. Therefore, 216 is a perfect cube. Second one, 128. Now we'll find out factors of 128 using prime factorization method. 128, it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now the factors of 128 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 we have to multiply 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. See, we know that for perfect cube, we have to group factors in triplets of equal form. Now this is one group and this is second group. In third group, here we can see 2 cannot appear in triplets form. Yes, 2 cannot appear in triplets form. Therefore, 128 is not a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Third one, 1000. Now we'll find out the factors of 1000. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2 zeros. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now unit digit is 5, means it is divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. The factors of 1000 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Means it is in equal factors in triplet form. This is one group. This is second group. For a perfect cube, always we have to take the factors in group of 3. So this is one group, this is second group. It means that therefore 1000 is a perfect cube. Now if we take from each group, from this group 2 and from this group 5, means 2 5s are 10, means 10 cube is 1000. If we multiply 10 3 times, we'll get the answer 1000. Fourth one, 100. First we'll find out factors of 100 using prime factorization method. 100. 2 5s are 10. This 0 comes here. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 5s are 10. Now last number is 5, means it is not divisible by 2. But as per divisibility rule of 5, if the number ends with 0 or 5, means the whole number is divisible by 5. So we'll take here 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Here 2 and 5 both do not appear in triplets form. See here, 2 appears only 2 times, even 5 appears only 2 times. Means 2 and 5 both do not appear in triplets form. Therefore, 100 is not a perfect cube. Fifth one, 46,656. We'll find factors of this number. 4 6 6 5 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. Yes. Now 9 means it is not divisible by 2. So we have to take next number. Next number means 3. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore 729 is divisible by 3. So we will take 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here we'll write the factors of 46,656. 46,656. How many times here 2 appears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many times 3 appears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will continue that here. Into 3 into 3. As we know that for a perfect cube, we have to group factors in triplets of equal factors. Now here we'll group factors of triplets of equal factor. This is one group, this one is second group, this is third group, and this one is fourth group. Means here all the factors are grouped into triplets equal factor. Therefore 46,656 is a perfect cube.